Alright guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. Today I'll be showing you how to use Regedit. So what is Regedit to start with? Many people do not know that as much as we have the Treasury Registry, we have the one at Abuja, wherever you guys go to do your marriages, on your computer set, you also have the registry. For example, on Windows operating system, you have the Windows registry. Now, how do you access it? So let's undo what we have here. So, of course, as our customers, you do your Windows R, get through your CMD. Yes, then open your CMD and type Regedit. Before I hit enter, I'm going to explain what it does. So, the registry is an hierarchical database that stores settings and configuration for various aspects of a Windows operating system, including the hardware, the software, the user preferences. So one of the key points that it actually brings out it shows you the configuration settings, the critical system files, show you the backups. It also is arranged. You can also use Regedit for since you are editing and modifying all the settings there. You can use it for troubleshooting, you can use it for customization, you can use it to remove a malicious software or a virus. So that's what you use Regedit for. But the point is, how do you access it? By coming through the command prompt and typing Regedit, hit enter. You see all this pops up, everything that pops up here, and configuration files, right? You have the classrooms, current user, local machine, right? Key users, key, current configuration. Let's open this to see what it looks like. You can see all the apps, console, control panel, environment, EBC, keyboard layout, network, software system, and so on and on. So you can do this from your end too, and then skim through, get your hands on it to see what the actual link is. And if you have any further questions, do well to leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much. My name is Mason.